Well, Father, takeoff is scheduled for tomorrow morning.
You'll have to make a decision soon, Dad. Even if it's no.
I had a hard look in the mirror this morning, and I've made me mind up. I'll be retiring and moving back to Somerset, and that's that. Ain't nothing can stop I. No international crisis or nothing. You all know how stubborn I be.
Right. Guess so, Dad.
That's the way it's always been. Guess you're right, Dad.
I need you young'uns to help I pack. You can all do something to help I. Now, this is what I'm going to ask you to do. Scott, go and tell the old woman to get packed and ready. Alright, young'un? Go on then.
Yes, sir.
Virgil, get me a garden stuff loaded in me wellies. Also need me hat and scarf. Scolding the west of England at the moment.
Yes, sir.
Father, can I?
Yes, you can. Once I be done, thee can get ID passport. Get on.
Gee, thanks, Dad.
What about me, Father?
You can go and get I some cider. Off you go.
Yes, sir.
Thunderbirds!